Any salt that gets in is pumped into a few sacrificial leaves that turn yellow and are discarded. Plants can not only cope with being poisoned, parched and scorched, but they can also survive being frozen. In the world's northern forests, the changing of the seasons creates its own challenges. As summer moves to autumn, plants prepare themselves for the toughest time of their year. Broadleaf trees unveil what seems to us a colourful spectacle. But for these plants, it's the beginning of a series of urgent and drastic survival strategies to cope with the coming cold. They begin by pulling all the water and nutrients within their leaves back into the trunk. The last rays of useful sunlight are channeled into making a sugary antifreeze that will protect the body of the tree. The green pigment, chlorophyll, disappears, leaving purples, reds, oranges and yellows. Finally, the leaves die and the trees discard them. As temperatures drop below freezing, the plants of broadleaf forests settle down to hibernate until spring. Pine trees can survive much colder conditions. They have antifreeze in the leaves themselves. That means that they can keep them all winter. The needle-like leaves also have a thick waxy coating that limits any water loss through pores. The winters here are long and hard. The trees have to survive temperatures of down to -40 centigrade for 5 months.